Excited guys, because today I'm going to be showing you in full detail how to make your organic super whitening body lotion from scratch. Now the beautiful thing about this formulation is that it is going to nourish and moisturize your skin while also giving you a flawless whitened skin tone. So guys, before we get started, before we get into the nitty-gritty of it all, okay, do take a moment to click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you can join the Bloom Skincare family, so you can also get updates every time I upload beautiful videos like this. Okay, get right into it. Of course, this is my bowl. It has been sterilized and sanitized, and then we are going to go into quickly making our oil face. The oil of choice here is our coconut oil, and because we're using coconut oil because this is a body formulation and we want this to help glow our skin, so we're using coconut oil here. Coconut oil is a very good moisturizer and humectant, okay, and it's going to give you that shine all day long. So we are going to go in with our coconut oil. Next up, we are going to be going in with our butter. Now the first butter we'll be adding into our bowl is our mango butter. So guys, mango butter is very nourishing for your skin. It's a very moisturizing butter. The reason why I love this butter mostly is the texture. It has this rich, luxurious texture to it. It's not so hard, it's not so soft, and it really does the job when it comes to moisturizing your skin. Next, we'll be going in with our shea butter, which is another beautiful butter when it comes to moisturizing your skin. There is a great misconception out there that shea butter will darken you, shea butter will give you pimples, shea butter will do this and that. None of them good. But I'm telling you categorically that these are all misconceptions. Shea butter is nature's gift to your skin. When it comes to keeping your skin hydrated, when it comes to keeping your skin moisturized, it is packed filled with vitamin A and E, and this is going to help keep your skin soft and supple and wrinkle free for a very long time. Ingredient we'll be adding to our oil face is our e-wax. Okay, so of course you can't make your lotion without your wax. It's going to help combine your oil and your water face together. So we're going to be adding in our wax here to help do that. We're also going to be going in with our co-emulsifier, which is going to be stearic acid. On the market you can use, it doesn't have to be stearic acid exactly. You can use your beeswax, you can use your cetyl alcohol, you can use any other emulsifier that appeals to you. But whenever I'm making lotions, I tend to always use e-wax and stearic acid. That is my own combination. Find what works for you guys. Up next, we'll be introducing our whitening additives, okay, our whitening powders. Because we are making a whitening lotion, we need a couple of whitening additives to make sure that this lotion peaks very fast. The first we're going to be adding into our oil set is our kojic dip powder. Note we're using kojic dip here because it's a more stable form of kojic acid. This is going to help lighten you without any problems and flawlessly. The next powder we're also going to be adding here to help brighten your complexion and give you that super ultra whitening color that you're looking for is our sepia white powder. Okay, these powders are oil soluble powders, which is why we are adding them into our oil face. Okay, now please note that it is not a must. You must use your kojic acid and your sepia white powder. If you don't have these powders, or you have any other whitening powders, you can also include them, but please do not use more than 3 powders in your formulation. Next, we'll be working on our water phase. So into a different sterilized bowl, I'll be adding in my distilled water. Okay, please make sure you're using distilled water for this. If you do not have distilled water available, you can use your rose water, but under no circumstances should you use your ordinary tap water. I'm just trying to get my scale in place so I can be very exact with the measurement of water that goes into this formulation, guys. So remember, do not use ordinary water. Make sure it's distilled water or rose water. I'll be going in with my water face powder, and the powder we're using for our water face is our alpha arbutin powder. This is a very, very powerful and very stable powder. So what we're just going to do at this point is adding our alpha arbutin powder into our distilled water, and then give it a very good stir just to combine the powder and water together. What I'm going to do is to put both water and oil face into a double boil, allow it melt properly, and then we'll be right back to continue with our formulation. Guys, I lost a clip of where I combined both my oil and water face together, but all you just need to do is to pour your oil face into your water face and give it a good stir, and there you have it, your lotion has been made. Okay, it's that simple. So we are just going to properly stir this, make sure everything is combined, and then we'll be going on with other serums and oils that will be added into this lotion, because we are far from done. This is now our cool down phase. Is completely cooled down. The next thing we'll be going in with is our glow oil. Even though this is a whitening lotion, we need some sort of glow oil in it, and we'll be going in with our Egyptian talking oil extra strength. This is a beautiful organic glow oil. Okay, it's going to help brighten your complexion, help glow your skin, help make you have that shiny effect you get when you use a beautiful oil on your skin. So we're going to be adding this into this recipe. This is the only over-the-counter product we are adding into this lotion. So guys, please endeavor to follow this recipe to the T. If you cannot find your Egyptian talking oil, there are other glow oils in the market that you can inculcate into your lotion. Your Moroccan argan oil, your nature secret oil. These are all beautiful glow oils that you can also include into your lotion. Next, we'll be going in with hyaluronic acid. Okay, now this is my favorite ingredient when it comes to skin moisturization because it helps trap water and moisture in your skin. So do not miss your hyaluronic acid when making this lotion. Whitening lotions and whitening powders and additives have a tendency to dry out the skin. So always make sure when you're making your whitening products, you use enough glow and moisturizing oils in it. Next, we'll be going in with our propylene glycol. Propylene glycol will be acting as a penetrator to deliver this lotion deep into the layers of your skin where it is needed. This will also help with moisturizing your skin. Next, we have organic vitamin C, vitamin E. So if you do not have the organic vitamin E, you can definitely use the capsule, but I will always prefer the organic vitamin E. We're going to be adding this here to help elongate the shelf life of this product, but mostly this is to help moisturize your skin, to give you a soft and supple feel to your skin. Vitamin E should never be skipped when it comes to making skincare products, be it in your wash off and your stay on products. Finally, we are going in with our Jamal Plus, which is going to be acting as a actual preservative. Of course, we added water to this lotion, so we are going to be adding a preservative to it. Okay, so Jamal Plus is our preservative of choice, and also we'll be going in with our essential oil. An essential oil of choice is our lavender essential oil. This is a beautiful essential oil, guys. It helps soothe the skin, it helps with scars and stretch marks, and that is why we choose it specifically for this lotion. So any irritation that you may have, lavender essential oil can help calm that down. All right, we'll also be going in with our tea tree essential oil. This is very beautiful essential oil, and it helps specifically when it comes to targeting body acne. If you are the kind of person that has acne on your chest, on your back, on your legs, tea tree essential oil is something you should incorporate in every of your products. So we are just going to go ahead and give this a proper stir. Make sure all our oils are incorporated into the lotion. Our ultra whitening class is still ongoing. Please do register. Contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen if you're interested. An advanced version of this lotion we made today is what we make for our ultra whitening class. Yes, this is going to whiten you, but the one in our ultra whitening class is going to take your skincare game to the next level. If you've enjoyed the video so far, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, do not forget to also turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, subscribing to the channel is the only way you can help me grow, so please just click on that button and join the Bloom Skincare family. Look at how beautiful this lotion is, guys. Just take it all in. Anyways, until I come your way in our next video, do remain blessed and do take care of yourself.